Welcome to the Aura Cleansing Meditation. I want you to begin by finding a comfortable seated position, either on the floor or in a chair. And close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, allowing yourself to relax and let go of any tension or stress. Take a deep breath in and relax, focusing on your body. Take another deep breath in and exhale, focusing on your breath. Take another deep breath in and exhale. And just be present. Now, bring your attention to your physical body. Visualize a bright white light surrounding your entire being, forming the first layer of your aura. This light represents pure energy and vitality. As you inhale, imagine this light expanding and becoming brighter, focusing every cell of your body with healing energy. As you exhale, release any stagnant or negative energy from your physical body, allowing it to be cleansed and purified. Now shift your focus to the second layer of your aura, which is associated with emotions and feelings. Visualize a warm golden light enveloping your body, representing love, compassion, and joy. Take a moment to connect with your emotions and gently release any negative emotions or attachments that no longer serve you or your higher self. Allow the golden light to cleanse and harmonize this layer, restoring balance and serenity to each emotional state. Now move on to the third layer of your aura, which is related to your mental and intellectual aspects. Imagine a vibrant electric blue light surrounding your body, symbolizing clarity, focus, and wisdom. Take a deep breath and let this blue light penetrate your mind, purging any mental clutter or negative thought patterns. Allow the blue light to illuminate your intellect and promote clear, positive thinking. Next, bring your attention to the fourth layer of your aura, associated with your heart center and relationships. Visualize a soft emerald green light enveloping your body, radiating love, compassion, and forgiveness. As you inhale, allow this green light to expand and fill your heart space, healing any emotional wounds or past hurts. As you exhale, release any grudges or resentments, allowing the green light to restore harmony and open your heart to unconditional love. Now, shift your focus to the fifth layer of your aura, which represents communication and self-expression. Imagine a shimmering sky blue light surrounding your body, symbolizing clear and authentic communication. Take a moment to connect with your throat center and release any blocks or fears that hinder your ability to express yourself truthfully. Allow the blue light to cleanse and empower your voice, enabling you to communicate with confidence and integrity. Moving on to the sixth layer of your aura, associated with intuition and spiritual awareness. Visualize a gentle indigo light enveloping your body, representing heightened intuition and connection to the divine. Take a moment to tune into your inner wisdom and release any doubts or fears that prevent you from trusting your intuition fully. Allow the indigo light to purify and expand your spiritual awareness, fostering a deeper connection with your higher self. Finally, bring your attention to the seventh and outermost layer of your aura, which acts as a protective shield. Visualize a bright white golden light surrounding your entire being, forming a strong and resilient aura boundary. Take a deep breath and allow this light to cleanse and strengthen your aura, shielding you from any negative or disruptive energies that may be in your environment. Take a few moments to bask in the energy of your cleansed and harmonized aura. Feel the radiance and vitality that surrounds you. Now I want you to take a deep breath in, and I want you to exhale, focusing on your breathing. And take another deep breath in, and exhale, focusing on your body. Take another deep breath in, and exhale, focusing on your body and bringing awareness back to your present moment, wiggling your fingers and toes, and gently, and when you're ready, opening your eyes. Remember, you can return to this meditation whenever you feel you need to cleanse and harmonize your aura.